Trust me, having clear, beautiful skin feels so good, and the secret is scrubbing your skin at least once every week. Today, I'll be sharing with you my routine I do once every week, evening routine to achieve clear skin, smooth, and much more younger looking skin. So this is it. This is the scrub I use, and I'll be sharing with you how I come up with this at the end of this video. So you want to watch till the end. This scrub is very good because it helps to cleanse and remove dead skin cells from your skin, clogging your pores, most especially your face. You want to be gentle and have this get into your pores. This equally helps to fight aging and leaves your skin looking much more youthful, smooth, bright, vibrant, and more firm. So you age and still have your skin looking so firm and beautiful, smooth. Trust me, it is a flex to have clear skin, to have smooth skin without all the congestion, and this is the secret, my lovely friends. You want to go ahead and try this and be gentle with it on your face, as well as you have to use it on your neck. You know, the neck is always neglected, and most people tend to have their neck looking so different from the rest of their body. So you want to apply this on your neck as well and scrub. I always love using these gloves because they are gentle and I get to scrub my skin so well without, yeah. So this is it. You want to use it on your body as well, most especially your hands. You see those areas that are more exposed to daily sunlight pollution, and so you want to scrub to clear any tans, discolorations from UV rays. That is how you scrub and have your skin always looking uniform, because if you don't do that, if you don't treat and scrub your skin, some areas are not like uniform with the other areas on your body. So I always lay emphasis on my arms, most especially this area, my hands, these areas that are more exposed, my arm, my knuckles, my knees and elbows. Those areas I lay emphasis on a lot to scrub and have my skin always uniform. This is so good. You do this just once every week. You don't need to do this all the time. So just sacrifice one day a week to do this, to treat your skin so you always have beautiful, clear skin. Whether you're fair skin, you're dark skin, this is for everyone. It has nothing in it to change the color of your skin. It is to leave your skin looking so smooth, vibrant, youthful, and so clear. So avoid the under eye areas and just apply on every other area on your skin. I will be taking this to the shower to complete, and voila, this is it. All clean. My skin is all cleaned, and I really love how clear and smooth my skin looks now. So what I follow with is rose water for hydration, and most especially if you're 35 and above, you want to start using rose water on your skin to leave your skin always hydrated before you moisturize. This is so good, and I always go to bed with my fresh spray so I smell good under my sheets, check my meals for the day, and I am good. So this is my evening routine, easy routine, and now this is how I come up with my exfoliating scrub, detox body scrub. So the first thing I get is either my scrub or yogurt. So this is St. Ives apricot scrub I have used for years, and this leaves my skin so smooth and very beautiful. But I always love to activate this with natural ingredients so I can get more benefits. Yeah, most especially something like coffee, which helps to firm up the skin, fight aging, and exfoliate your skin as well. So this is one of the most powerful active ingredients I add in my scrub to make it work even better. Yeah, so you want to measure 3 tablespoons of coffee or 3 teaspoons of coffee, depending on how thick you want your mixture. Depending on you, you can add more coffee, but I use 3 tablespoons of coffee to achieve my scrub with the consistency I want. This is very exfoliating. The caffeine in coffee helps to firm up your skin and activate your skin, leaving your skin always looking vibrant. So the next thing I add is egg. I use the whole of egg, the yolk, the white. This is very good at firming the skin as well, leaving your skin looking always youthful and vibrant because of the protein in egg, which helps with new cell regeneration, most especially as you age. You need to replenish protein on your skin that is lost, and you get a lot of it from egg. Now the next thing I add is honey. Honey helps to lock in moisture to the skin as well, leaves your skin hydrated, and bring other ingredients together as well. This makes everything so hydrating, most especially if you're aging from 25 and above. You need to make your scrubs and add honey in them so your skin ends up so hydrated and moisturized. I add in vitamin C in the form of orange juice as well to activate, to make this active. You need that active vitamin C in your scrub. That is why I add natural ingredients to make them active. And vitamin C is very good for the skin. It helps to lift up, brighten up your skin, and have it looking much more vibrant and glowing. So this is it. You want to basically just mix all this nicely together to one consistency. And yeah, so as I mentioned earlier, if you want it really thick, like hard, kind of a little bit thicker than this, you can add more coffee depending on the consistency you want. Yeah, just make sure you mix everything to one consistency, and trust me, you're good. The egg, once you apply this on your skin, the egg will stick up and firm your skin for you. So when you when you apply on your skin, you want to use it you want to leave it on for like 5-10 minutes before you wash up, or you wash off the treatment of your skin, so the egg yolk can like help to firm up your skin. So don't wash immediately, leave it for like 10 minutes on your skin before you wash, and you will get more benefits. Plus, doing this, I equally drink a lot of healthy juices to fight aging from the inside, glow my skin from the inside as well. I have recipes on my channel, research tips you can check. I equally drink lots and lots and lots of water as well, because water helps to hydrate your skin from the inside and leave your skin always looking so healthy. If you don't drink water, you end up with dry skin. You end up with not beautiful looking skin. So once you drink water, your skin looks so fresh from the inside out. So stay hydrated, drink lots and lots of water, at least 2 liters of water. That is guaranteed. Plus this treatment, and you drink your healthy juices, you end up with very beautiful skin. Your pores will be just beautiful. You will have no congestion on your skin. Your skin will always look so smooth and beautiful. Whether you're fair skin, dark skin, having beautiful, smooth looking skin is key. Whatever you wear suits you, and you look so beautiful always. So you want to go ahead and share this video with your family and friends, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye.